Is Crazy Pushing Master really an easy way to earn $300 every 10 minutes as it looks like when you first join the app, or is it a scam to stay away from? My name is Michael and I love testing different ways to make money online. So when I came across some ads for this app here, I got curious. So I decided to download it and test it. And in this Crazy Pushing Master review, I'll give you an inside look. And let me just be real right away. There are some very important details you definitely need to know before you download this app. So I'm now inside the app and you can see just coins are just coming down there, and you can see how much I've earned so far at the top there. I'll just try that again. You see there, up there. That's how much I earned, and it just keeps adding. And all I need to do is I have certain coins and you know, it just keeps coming up, these things. I have to then claim it to be able to move on. So I claim it, and I have no idea what that is. We'll see, but you see there's a golden bracelet there, and it just, you know, this puzzle where I can redeem different prices. It's just like popping up everywhere. You can see it's a little bit difficult, but the main idea is that I push and drop those coins there. I have a certain amount of coins, but I keep getting new ones, and then I, you know, can also get more by just watching ads. But you see, I'm not even clicking now, and they just keep coming down. The money are just coming in, rolling in, and you see up there, see, I just, like, while talking here now, I've earned, you know, like what, I don't know, $40 since I started recording this. I wish it was this easy to make money through an app, but you see, I just keep earning and earning, and I basically don't click anything. And then once in a while, ads pop up, and you have to watch these spammy ads, and that's what they're trying to get you to do, because that's how they make money. But there's all these different things, all these different claims you see keep popping up, different ways to earn. There's also this over there, this piggy thingy. I can click there, and I can then either pay $50 to open it. I can just click free, and free, that means then I have to watch an ad, because again, they just have a lot of these spammy ads. So I'll just be back once this ad is over. So the ad is now finally over. That was a long ad with about another ad with exaggerated earning claims. But anyways, now I can just tap the screen, and you see there, $20, just like that, for watching one little ad like that. Even though the ad is really annoying, you know, if I could really get $20 for it, I would keep doing this all day. Then definitely easy. But you see, the money just keeps coming in. I can then click to drop more of those coins, and I just keep earning, keep earning, keep earning. And it's super easy. That's how you supposedly earn. But with sites like this, what is most important now, again, you see I have to watch ads or so. But anyways, we need to talk about whether you can get paid or not, because I have reached the payout threshold. So let's now check what then happens. So I now go to the cash out section up here. And as you can see, there is a payout threshold of $300. And I, you know, the thing I spent like maximum 10 minutes earning $300. And you can see, I just keep earning. And it could be tempting to try to reach this $10,000 PayPal cash, right? That would be amazing if we could do that just by clicking our phone like this. But anyways, let's see what then actually happens when I try to cash out, because I have $300 now. So let's try to cash out. I will get paid via PayPal. So I will just, you know, write an email here. I'll just blur that out. So then I just put some info, and let me just reveal right away. I blurred it out, but it's actually a fake email, because I'm not going to give any real info to an app like this for the reasons I'll explain later. But anyways, let's see what happens when I click to redeem there. And you see, again, it just wants me to confirm. So then I need to just agree and then supposedly get paid. And then I can check the process because they need 7 business days. So I can earn more cash in the meanwhile. So that means like now they're checking, and then in the meantime, now I think $300 is on its way. So what will then happen after this time? First of all, now they want me to believe that I actually earned $300. So now I, you know, would maybe react the way that I would just keep using it, watching spammy ads, and they earn more and more. And they have 7 days to get me to do that. And I could watch a lot of spammy ads, and they would make them a lot of money. But the reality is, this is completely exaggerated earning claims. Once this time is over, and I'm planning to just delete this app, I'm not going to use it anymore, because I've tested hundreds of different ways to make money online. And I know once this wait is over, there will be additional requirements. Maybe I would have to watch 100 ads within 24 hours to get paid, and then they will have another requirement. Or what also often happens is I just need to pay a small fee from my PayPal before they will be able to pay me. And then they will charge me, or they will take more out, or whatever. What I can guarantee you is it's not this easy to make $300. Any app that claims that will end up scamming you. So one more reason why you should be careful, if that's not enough what I showed you, but when you go to the download page, you can't see it, I'm on a computer right now, but when you go on the phone, it says that Crazy Pusher Master is in early access. And that means if you go down, I can't find any reviews because it's in early access. And apps that are not intending to pay you tend to use this like early access mode, because then they are allowed for some weird reason to be actually launched through Google Play, and people can start downloading it, but people can't leave reviews when it's early access. And that's very good for them, because then if there were reviews, people would tell each other that you wouldn't get paid and nobody would join it anymore. But they don't really allow that because they're in early access. The problem is just they've been in early access for a year or something like that. Clearly it's not because it's early access, it's because it's a trick to avoid people leaving negative reviews. So to sum it all up, Crazy Pusher Master will not pay you. You are going to waste your time. If you want to make money by playing games or anything like that, you need to be realistic. You will of course not earn $300 in 10 minutes by clicking your screen a few times. That's not how it works. I wish it was, but it's not. So don't ask me about a legit way to earn $300 in 10 minutes by playing a game, because it's not gonna happen. You need to be realistic if you want to make money online. But I will leave links below to some legit and realistic ways to earn by playing games, for example, or doing other small online tasks, so you can check that out instead. It will not earn you $300 in 10 minutes, of course not, but at least they will actually pay you so you won't waste your time. And I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time we see a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.